Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and this video. By the way, there are many more on my channel interesting content that will definitely interest you. Thank you all for your attention. Do not forget to subscribe, like and leave comments. Enjoy your viewing. Thank you for your attention. In the previous series, an explosion in a secure Gotham City airport terminal hurls Black Canary and Starling headlong into a nightmare involving stolen pharmaceuticals, terrorists for hire and killers in stealth suits who can appear and disappear at will. When Canary calls in backup, Starling's not so sure a vengeful samurai who talks to her dead husband in a sword is the best choice. Birds of Prey number 3. Someone's come up with a way to turn ordinary citizens of Gotham City into undetectable walking bombs, and only Black Canary, aka Dinah Laurel Lance, Starling, aka Ev Crawford, and new team member Katana, aka Tatsu Yamashiro, can stop them. But will Canary's choice of a fourth team member, a notorious bioterrorist, tear them apart first? I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget that on channel there is a huge amount of interesting content that is waiting for you to watch them, and soon I will make many more cool and interesting videos, so do not miss. The more activity, the more I will try releases your favorite videos. Do not forget to subscribe, like and leave comments. Thanks for your attention.